before you know it, you're paying for 5 different tools and they're doing 80% of the same thing. Before you know it, it's expensive, it's confusing, and it slows everyone down. Now, Dwayne, do you just want to start us off with some advice on common tools people don't realize they aren't using properly? Tools that could actually cover multiple areas if leveraged well?
Yes. One of the tools that I commonly come across that's either under leveraged or is leveraged to a certain degree, but it's more of a classical or traditional leveraging of it, is your version control system. So nowadays, a lot of off-the-shelf version control systems. Now, I'm not talking about your old school SVN that's hosted locally to your organization. I'm talking about off-the-shelf tools such as like GitLab, GitHub,
Mhm.
Bitbucket. They all pretty much come with some sort of built-in CI/CD functionality, whether that be GitHub Actions or Bitbucket pipelines, or even the GitLab pipeline adjacent CI/CD work that they've been doing. I often see that not leveraged to the fullest extent. And what I mean by that is oftentimes organizations will have a dedicated CI/CD tool, such as Jenkins or some other build and continuous deployment tool, and then they'll just utilize their version control system for just version control.
Mhm.
Where that kind of gets to be overlapping with the tooling that you already have is that, the GitHub Actions, the Bitbucket pipelines, those are specifically developed for the versioning system that you're using, where Jenkins is, Jenkins or others is Circle CI, Travis CI are more general purpose tools. And oftentimes organizations will have both of them. And I don't know that they just, never went back and revisited the original offering from, Bitbucket or GitHub or GitLab, and just didn't know that it could also cover, 80 to 85% of what like a Jenkins or a Travis CI would accomplish. And it's already baked into the tool that you're already paying for out of the box.